Welcome to the bathroom in the dollhouse. I don't really know if I've filmed a video in here before, but I just finished up my nighttime routine, took a shower, washed my hair, did my skincare. So I've been jade rolling. I love it so much because first of all, this is a natural crystal, okay? It's a piece of jade. This particular one has two ends to it, which I really like. A bigger side so you can get more of the surface of your face, and then a smaller chunk of jade where you can go in with your nose, your under eyes, your lid space, just to really reach those nooks and crannies. So I got this one off of Amazon for about $11. I'll be sure to leave the link to it in the description box below. It actually came with a how-to guide, which is really helpful and useful for those of you guys like myself that were just starting out with it and you don't really know what direction to go in, where you should jade roll, and everything like that. The little kit also came with a little pouch to store your jade roller in, and it's great for travel. And it also came with this eye mask, which I don't use because I already have my own eye mask. First off, my face is a little red because I have been doing chemical peels. If you guys saw my last skincare related video, that was my first time getting a chemical peel, and I recently just got my second one done, and then next week I'm going in for my third round. So my skin is a little bit red as well because I did do my full skincare routine, which is great because jade rolling actually helps your skincare products sink into your skin. So you're getting better use out of your products because your skin is actually able to absorb them. Jade rolling is great because it helps to depuff your skin. It helps get rid of fine lines and wrinkles. It could be a great preventative for those of you guys that are young. I always say start out young with your skincare. That way you won't have them as bad when you get older. Same thing kind of applies with eye cream and stuff like that. So I always go in and jade roll after I've applied my moisturizer, my serums, my eye creams, and all of that good stuff. So I'm going to start with the big end and kind of pull up towards my hairline, and then you can pull out towards the ear to get the chin area. And it's just a facial massage. It feels so freaking good. I did have this in the fridge, so it's nice to kind of chill it. It's just so relaxing. Now, jade rolling has been around for years, thousands of years, the ancient times, okay? Jade itself is a crystal, which naturally I love. I love how we can utilize nature within our beauty routines, right? So jade itself is a stone that corresponds with your heart chakra, so it's really great at love energy. The stone itself is also known to promote peace and harmony, which is great when it comes down to your beauty and your skin and your health. Makes sense as to why they made it into a beauty tool like the jade rollers. I'm gonna hit the forehead real quick as I continue to talk about the benefits of this. But if you guys have inflammation in your skin, I love jade rolling for that reason, because I do have hormonal acne and stuff. This redness here is actually enhanced from my chemical peel and then the weekly pads that I use that will continue to peel my skin, the dead layers, to get rid of that hyperpigmentation and the discoloration. So don't mind that. It's not anything crazy or irritating to the skin. Just for me, I am on a skincare journey at the moment. So it's not harsh, it's not irritating, it's not something that hurts. It's just a facial massage that feels really good, especially if you go ahead and pop this bad boy in the fridge for even 10 to 15 minutes in the morning while you shower. Take it out, do your jade rolling routine after you apply your skincare products, and you just feel so good. I feel like my face doesn't feel stressed. I think it does help to reduce any tension in the skin that you might have. If you are someone that likes to squint, if you're looking at a computer screen all day like me, that's my issue. I always just have so much tension up in my forehead. I think it just releases all of the stress and all of the tension from the day, which is why I love doing it at nighttime. It just makes me feel so relaxed and so zen. So for me, it definitely helps emotionally, but also physically as well, which I think is awesome. Kill a couple birds at once with one stone. It's great. They're simple, they're easy, they've been around for thousands of years, they work, and I just love things that are just simplified. There's no chemicals in this, but it just has so many amazing things for you.